In this video, I will show you how to remove viruses from your PC without downloading any software by using a built-in Windows tool that many people don't even know exists. This tool is called Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool, and it can help detect and remove many common types of malware from your computer. So let's go straight to the method. First, right-click on the Start button. From the menu that appears, select Run. When the Run window opens, click inside this box and type MRT. Then click OK. This will open the Microsoft Malicious Software Removal tool. Click Next to continue. Now you will see 3 scan options: Quick Scan, Full Scan, Customized Scan. Let me quickly explain the difference. Quick Scan will scan the most common locations where malware usually hides, like system folders, startup locations, and active processes. This scan is much faster, and it usually takes just a few minutes. Full Scan, on the other hand, will scan your entire computer, including all drives, folders, and files. Because it checks everything on your system, this scan can take much longer. The time needed for the scan depends on several factors: the speed of your computer, the size of your hard drive or SSD, the number of files on your system, and whether you choose Quick Scan or Full Scan. For example, a quick scan might take only a few minutes, while a full scan can take 30 minutes, 1 hour, or even longer on systems with a lot of files. For this example, I will select Quick Scan and then click Next. Now the scanning process will start. At this point, you simply need to wait until the scan finishes. Do not close this window while the scan is running. If the tool detects any malicious software, it will automatically try to remove it from your system. This tool is designed to detect and remove common malware threats, including certain viruses, worms, trojans, and some types of spyware. However, keep in mind that this tool is not a full antivirus program. It mainly focuses on widely known malware infections, and it may not detect every type of threat, especially newer or very advanced malware. For example, it might not remove all types of adware, advanced spyware, or some modern ransomware variants. Because of that, it is still recommended to use a full antivirus solution together with this tool. But if your system is infected with common malware, this built-in Windows tool can often remove it quickly and safely without installing any additional software. When the scan finishes, the tool will show you the results of the scan. If malware was found, it will be removed automatically, and you may be asked to restart your computer to complete the cleanup process. And that's it. You just learned how to scan and remove viruses from your PC using a built-in Windows tool. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more PC tips, virus removal guides, and tech tutorials. Until next video, stay safe, and I'll see you all.